What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a portrait illustration of Madara Uchiha from Naruto. For today's lesson, we'll be drawing directly with the Sharpie fine point marker. Let's start on the right side of center with the eye. We're gonna start from the inside, angle this up and then out with a straight line, and then we'll bend the eyelid coming out towards the side. From the outside, come down and bend that in, round this out, and just pull that in towards the inside. Let's tuck the pupil along the top with a half circle, coming down and then up. Let's add 3 small dots, one in the center, and then one on either side. Now I just want to angle the brow. From the inside of the eye, let's step out. It's going to angle this up, across the top of the eye, and out. And then from the inside, when step in, just curl the brow, coming in and up with a curve. Go back to the inside of the brow, bend this in and down. Let's add a fold along the top of the eye, from underneath the brow, bend this in and down, go across the top. Now, in the center of the head, let's move all the way down and draw a point for the nose. Angle the nose, going up and up towards the left, and then the right side. And then from the tip of the nose, let's step down, add a curve for the mouth. Starting on the left, come down and up, and we'll bend the mouth, going out and then down towards the corners. Let's go back to the center, step down, and draw a short line going across the lower lip. Now we're going to cover the left side of the face with the hair. From the top of the right eye, let's step up, start with a point. Let's bring a point coming across the center and then down. Let's pull this back up towards the top. Let's add a longer point. We're going to step down, go across, and then down. And then we'll taper that up along the side and then in. Now I'm just going to add some layers going out towards the side. Come down and out. Go up. Now along the side, angles down and out. Go up and in. Let's add one more point. Come down. Pull this all the way up and then in. Now I'm going to add a long strand coming down the right side, going around the eye, and we'll bring that down toward the bottom, taper that up along the side, and then in. Now with the hair in place, let's draw the bottom of the head. We're going to start from the bottom lip, let's step down, just going to mark this off with a straight line, bend this out across the right side, and then up underneath the hair. Now I'm going to go back down and draw the left side, bend this out, up in behind the hair, and just go in between. Let's add another point coming down the side, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw the top edge of the armor. Let's start on the left side. We're going to slope this down and then out. Line this up on the right, coming down and out. And then from the jaw, let's curve the armor coming down and then in. Now I'm going to draw that same angle line going across the bottom towards the outside. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step down and out and add a curve, coming down and up. And then from the outside, bend this down and out towards the bottom of our page. Let's connect the top armor to the center with 2 angled lines on either side. Now we're going to trace this along the inside, starting on the left, going up, go across towards the right, and we'll bring that down. Now we want to add some clips across the armor, starting on the bottom left, curve this up and down, just round up the ends like a bracket, and we'll close off the top. Let's go up in an angle and draw one more, going across the bottom, rounding out the ends, and then we'll close off the top. Now I'm going to do the same thing over on the right. Let's line up the bottom, going up and down, tracing up the top, go all the way up towards the top and draw that one more time. Now I want to add a seam in between those 2 clips. Starting from the top, come down, just going to bend this in between, coming down towards the bottom, and then in. Now I want to go back and add some cracks across the face. Let's start on top of the brow. Just going to wobble this line going up, just adding that crack. I'll just branch this out along the top. Let's go across the face from the left, going up above the nose bridge, bending this down and go across. And then again, we're just going to add those branches going out. Add a little fold underneath the eye. Now we're going to work our way around the outside of the hair. Let's start on top of the armor on the left, bend this up and in, and we'll add a point. Stepping down, going down and out, go up and bend that in. Let's go over towards the right side. Bend this up and then in from the armor. Step down, we're just going to add a curl, coming down and out, bend this in and up. Let's go back over toward the left side, step down to create a fold, going out, then this up and in, add another point, going across. Now we're going to make our way up towards the top of the head. Let's go back to the left side, step down, bend this down, go up and in. Now I'm just going to work our way across the top of the head. From this point, we're going to bend this up, come across and then in towards the center of the head. Let's add another point, going up, go across towards the right. Let's add a couple more points on the right side, going out and up, come down and in, and we'll add one more, going out and pull that in towards the right. Now along the bottom edge of the hair, we're going to add a reflection line. Let's start from this point. Just going to pull this in, bend this down, go up and in. Now it's going to work our way along the bangs. Going down, we're just going to add these points. Make a few longer. And now just working our way across towards the right. Now I'm going to curve in the opposite direction, going out, then down towards the bottom. Now just underneath the chin, we're going to add the edge of the collar, starting on the left, bend this down in behind the hair. Just going to work our way across towards the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Madara Uchiha from Naruto. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.